Hi, this is Ujang. Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll compare the interior noise level between Model Y and Model 3. I mounted the decibel meter near the center console and measured the cabin noise from there. I tried to drive on the same lane with a similar speed, but the measurement might be slightly different due to road condition and surrounding cars. I was able to measure the noise level from Model 3 before the trade-in. I was getting 36 to 37 decibel reading when the Model 3 is in a complete stop. Model Y is getting the measurement between 35 and 36 decibel, and it's only about 1 decibel less than Model 3. You can hear the slight difference from the audio capture from the camera. I drove on the city street to compare the noise level. With 20 miles per hour driving speed, from the decibel level wise, I didn't see the noticeable difference, but Model Y seems to have a bit deeper tone when it goes through the bumpy road. Now onto the highway. I'll try to keep my speed around 55 miles per hour, and Model 3 is getting between 65 to 69 decibel. And Model Y is also getting the similar result. But I feel like I hear less wind noise from Model 3. Listen to the audio and try to hear the difference. I'm getting a similar noise level from a different part of the highway section. I did another measurement from the local street again, and it was similar to what I was getting previously. Today, we compare Model Y and Model 3 noise level. And from the decibel level standpoint, I wasn't able to find huge difference. I'm not a sound expert, but as you heard from the recordings, Model Y seems to have a slightly deeper tone, and it was giving me an impression of a quieter car. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. See ya!